press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, welcome back to the English class. So in the last class we come to know about how the students are taught with the grasshopper, right? So they are 6th standard students. They came to the park with their class teacher and they chat with the grasshoppers. So while they chat with the grasshopper, they get many information about grasshopper, right? Understanding? So I did a whole lesson about grasshopper. I told you have to go through the green boxes is given there, the body, that is page number 78, 79. So music maker, friend or foe, fascinating grasshopper facts. So I told you, I think you read all these information about grasshopper. So I am going to continue the grammar part, vocabulary part and question answer. You have to open the page number 80, page number 80, 81. That is, look at the page number 80, read the question and discuss the answer. What help a grasshopper to fly? What help the grasshopper to fly, dear children? A grasshopper has 2 sets of wings for flying, right? How many wings does a grasshopper have? How many wings? 2 sets of wings, right? How many eyes does a grasshopper have? 5. I already explained you. How long are the world's largest grasshopper? That is 90 millimeter. So next, grasshopper makes a chirping sound by rubbing its back leg against one of its, that is D1. That is rubbing its back leg against one of its antenna. Say true or false. A grasshopper is blind and deaf. Is it true? No, it's false. False. Next, grasshopper do not have ears, yet they can pick up vibration. How? So because of antenna, right? Antenna help grasshopper to pick up the vibration. Understanding? So now read the lesson and on grasshopper again. Look at the words given in below. Which of these words are you used in lesson? So that green color box is given there. So look at those words. If you come to know that lesson, you read that lesson. So now which words you find in this lesson, you have to circle that. Understanding? Farmer, you have to circle the farmer. Toxic, exoskeleton, strong, vibration. Fruits is not there. Turnbull, housefly, insecticides is not there. So again you have to go through that lesson. So which lesson you can find in the lesson, you have to circle those words. Point number, page number 81. Find words from the lesson with the following meanings. Grain used to make flour, that is corn. That is corn. V2, A, that is corn. B, poisonous to eat or drink, that is toxic. C, an enemy. 4. D, outside skin of animal body, that is exoskeleton. E, 2 legs, thin parts on the head of some insect, that is antenna. So you have to write it. V3, Read the text and fill in the blanks using the appropriate word. The two-striped grasshopper will eat plants that are dash to cattle. That is toxic. V3, first one, toxic. Second one, the grasshopper makes sound of dash on the summer night. That is crackling sound. In summer season, grasshopper used to make a sound like this, crackling. Third one, the dash organ can pick up vibration from an air and on the ground of the grasshopper. That is, I told you already, antenna. V4, look at V4. Choose the correct answer from the word given in the brackets. The insect that makes the sound of buzz. That insect name is, that is bee. V4, bees. First one, bees. Second one, the insect that irritate at night. The insect that irritate at night. Which insect it used to irritate you, dear children? Mosquito, right? Mosquito. Mosquitoes. Third one, the insect that build their own web. That is spider. Spiders. Fourth, the insects that reform as butterfly. That is caterpillar. Caterpillars. Right, dear children, you have to write it. Blanks as given there in your textbook, page number 81. You have to write it down. Understanding? So with pencil only you have to write. Don't write in the pen. Page number 82. V5. Collect words from the male, the female and the young ones of animal and complete the following table. One has been done for you. One is given you, animal, male, female, young ones. That is horse. So one column is given for you. That is animal name. In that male, female, young ones. So next we have to do horse, stallion, mare, foal is given there. So lion. That lion also male, female is lioness. You have to write. Lioness. Next cub. Young one is cub. Goat, billy goat, neigh goat, that is nanny goat, that is lamb. Lamb. Tiger, tigress, cub. Cock, peahen, chick. Peahen, chick. Understanding? So W1, read the lesson once more. Write a short paragraph about grasshopper in 5 to 6 sentences. You have to do your work, dear children. So go through the lesson again. You have to read the lesson and you have to write a 5 to 6 sentences about a grasshopper. What you know about a grasshopper, you have to write 5 to 6 sentences. Understanding? Read your paragraph loud to the class. So now you have to, in front of your parents only, have to read aloud what you wrote. Collect the mistakes in spelling, sentence structure, for punctuation, etc. if there are there. If any mistakes is there, means I will find out. You have to write it down. Make a neat copy and display on its notebook. So when you will come back to the classes, so we can do all these things, dear children. Understanding? So next 83 page number. Filling in an web diagram. So diagram is given for you. First we have to read all these things. Read the passage below to find out about the almost. See, white tiger. About white tiger you have to read. Wild white tiger are now very rare. So they are usually located on the mainland of South Eastern Asia and in Central and Southern India. Those living in island have almost disappeared. Most of them are found in zoos or wildlife. So you have to go through about this one white tiger. So information is given there in the page number 83. You have to read all this information. So one diagram is given there here. So diagram is given there. You have to reading of that information about white tiger. You have to fill all these this one diagram. Understanding? So 4 square boxes given here about a white tiger, that is in a blue color, dark blue color. White tiger is given there. About white tiger, so you have to write it. Where it live, so what it habitats, that so all these things you have to fill it. Understanding? So now sit in pairs, discuss with your partner and write 2 sentences on how the tigers can be saved. So how we can save the tiger? We have to think about all this. We should stop hunting tiger for sports and fashion. First what we have to do, we stop hunting tigers for fashion or for sports. We should love animals, then only we can save animals. Understanding? We should not take out their skin and sell. So we should not take their skin. They live happily, let them to be live happily. What we have to do? We have to let them to live happily. How we are living, how we are a human being, how we are a living being, they also a living being. Let them to be live happily. We won't hunt them for sports or fashion. Understanding, dear children? So keep in all these minds we have to do. Ask questions to your partner about a grasshopper using the clues. So a clues is given there, that is a watch, eat, where, live, how many eyes. So clues is given here. What does a grasshopper eat? So using a what, we can ask a question here. So where does a grasshopper live? So take a where, that is clue is given there. So we have to make a question here. So where does a grasshopper live? Second one, where does a grasshopper live? So one example is given there. First one we have to read, where does a grasshopper live? Second one, how many eyes? That is, how many eyes does a grasshopper have? How many eyes does a grasshopper have? You have to write yes one, yes one, yes one. First one you have to write, where does a grasshopper live? Understanding? Second one, how many eyes does a grasshopper have? So you have to write it like this. Collect pictures, cards from animal, birds and objects. If you have pictures about birds, animals, means you have to collect all these pictures, dear children. Show the pictures, cards and ask 2 or 3 questions on it to your friends. So this is our classwork activity, dear children. We have to do these activities in the class. So if you will School will reopen means we have to do all these activities. Okay. Sit in pairs, read the following statement and frame questions. Use the clues given in the bracket. So clues are given there. My father is a teacher. What is your father? So like that. This book is mine. So you have to ask the question like this. Who's this book? Who's this book? S3, 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 first one, A is given there. This book is mine. This book is mine. One sentence is given there. Whose bracket, one word is given there, that is whose. What? Whose this book? Question mark we have to put. Understanding? We celebrate Vana Mahotsava on June 5th. When you will celebrate, when you have to write. When you will celebrate Vana Mahotsava. Second, this is third one. Understanding? I like blue color. What color do you like? You have to write what color do you like. Second one I am writing here. Third one I wrote. Second one I am writing here. What color do you like? So what color do you like? What is given there already? Dion likes cows because they give us milk. Why do Dion likes cows? You have to write why do Dion likes cows. Understanding? Sachin is my favorite batsman. Sachin is my favorite batsman. Again, that is fourth one. Why do Dion likes cows? Fifth one. Sachin is my favorite batsman. Who is your favorite batsman? Who is your? We have to make the questions. Who is your favorite batsman? Sixth, Naija goes to school every day. Where does Naija goes? Where does goes? So you have to write all these things. Write it here, children. So S4 is given here. S4. Read this instruction. Warning aloud. Keep away from insects. We have to keep away from the insects. Don't touch them. If you touch them, immediately wash your hands. If we will touch the insect means immediately what we have to do? Immediately we have to wash our hands. Keep the surroundings clean. This is our duty. We have to keep the surroundings should be clean. Keep pesticides away from the children. So we have to keep the pesticides away from the children. Write some more instructions, slogans you know. If you know Other slogans means you have to write 3 points is given there, 1, 2, 3 like this. You have to write in this space. Where do you see the slogans instruction warning? So warnings is given there, beware of dogs. Where we can find? So from the door side, house doors, right, gates. So this instruction we can find. Thanks for not smoking. So we can find this instruction in hospitals, hotels, right? Leave your footwear outside. Leave your footwear outside. Offices, temple, we can see this type of instruction, right, dear children? Switch off your mobile phone. Where we can see, so I will attend meetings in seminar halls or hospitals, like that. This type of instruction we can find, right, dear children? So expanded activities given here in page number 87. You have to go through those activities. Grammar part and lesson I completed. So question answer I will provide you, and whatever so grammar I did in this class, you have to write in your notes after question answer. Understanding? So we will meet next class, dear children. So I will come with you or taking a new topic. Until that, take care. Thank you.